Hello everyone, this is Lapti Teriwala here and welcome back to my channel Learning and Growing. So the first and very important thing is whenever you are chewing your food, make sure that you close your mouth and you do not open your mouth. Because it looks very bad when someone is able to see what you are eating inside, and it looks very bad, very weird. So make sure that you just close your mouth and eat. Close your mouth and chew like this, and not like this. Also, when you're eating, make sure you don't make that typical sound of eating. The sound also gives very bad impressions. Thing is, make sure that you keep your smartphone aside and do not keep on and do not be on phone continuously when you are having your food on the table, because when you are sitting in a group, then make sure that you are very interactive and you are not only on phone, and also make sure that your phone is on silent. Thing is, you should hold the utensils properly. The fork should be on left and the knife should be on right. The next thing is, it is very important, and I have seen a lot of people doing this and it looks very bad. When you are chewing something, make sure you do not have any drink, nor juice, nor water, or any kind of drink. Once you are done chewing, once your food is swallowed properly inside, after that only you have your drink or water. Because while you're chewing and you're having a water, then sometimes what happens, the particles of the food what you're eating goes inside the juice, and which does not look good at all. One very important thing is, eat to your left and drink to your right. Whenever you are eating something, make sure you are eating with your left hand, and whenever you are drinking something, make sure you are drinking with your right hand. This is very professional etiquette whenever you go out for a business dinner or a business lunch. So this is a basic meal etiquette which is to be followed. But or else, if suppose you are eating with your right hand, so make sure that you don't use that right hand to drink, to have juice or to have your drink. Whenever is someone asking for a salt, so make sure that you pass both salt and pepper. Do not pass only one. This is also very important thing to remember, that never use your fingers to push your food inside the spoon. This is also a very professional, and so this is also very professional etiquette, that use some other spoon and try to push it inside your spoon, but do not use your finger to push food inside your spoon. The next thing is, avoid placing your hands on the dining table. So this will occupy a lot of space, and this will make you and the people sitting beside you very uncomfortable if you are placing your hands here. So make sure that your hand is like this, completely not on table. Important thing is, suppose you're getting up in between the meal, so the napkin which you're having, place it on the chair and do not place it on the table. So this is also keep in mind. Do not place it on table. Place it on chair if you're getting in between of the meal. Next, now the next is something which we usually don't do, but there are people who does it. Spoon. So they have their homely habit of leaking their spoon and leaking their plate. Of course they won't leak like this, but what they do is they just leak like this and eat. So leaking their spoon and making the plate very clean, do not need to wash also. So make sure that this is not your home. Whenever you're out, do not leak your spoon, do not leak your plate. Also avoid it at your home, because then that will become your habit, which will affect you. Once you are done, place your fork and knife on the table in the center of the plate, so that this is a sign that you are done with your food and you do not require anything else. Also suppose someone has invited you for the dinner or for lunch, so once you are done with your food, make sure that you thank your host for the meal and with a smile on your face. So these are the basic quick tips, quick table manner etiquettes, meal etiquettes which you need to follow in your life, which will help you to make your personality look good. So eventually people are also going to judge you on how you are eating and what are your manners on tables. So make sure you eat properly and look good. Thank you so much. Keep watching.